What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. You guys saw the title and thumbnail. We're going to be talking more about the overall markets and how they will affect the Milady Memecoin project, guys. You guys already know that Blackrock is super bullish, starting to get more bullish on crypto, and that is a great sign, because guess what? If Blackrock is bullish on crypto, they're gonna be pumping Bitcoin. When Bitcoin pumps, altcoins pump. Ethereum follows Bitcoin. Milady Memecoin is tied to wrapped Ethereum as its liquidity pair. So when Ethereum is performing well because of Blackrock sending Bitcoin and other top crypto, like in Ethereum, because I know if they get exposure to Bitcoin, they more than likely will get exposure to Ethereum. That's going to be bullish for ladies, guys, and ladies will potentially make moves to the upside with the broader market, because it's listed on tier 1 exchanges, and the Milady Memecoin has a ton of liquidity now because of the exchanges that it's listed on and a ton of trade volume. So we're going to dive into it. I got a video and a thread that I'm going to go through with you guys in this video. If you're tuning in, you know, you already been supporting the channel. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description, guys. Be sure to support the videos, blow this video up, guys. And we're gonna take a look at the Milady Memecoin first. You know, look at some of the stats for it. Sitting at $23.5 million in market cap and $3.47 million in 24-hour trade volume, down 7%. Not 7%, down 5%, my apologies, down 5%. Why? Because guess what? All of a sudden today, I have no idea why Monday is a down day. But if you look, like, you can literally go on to CoinMarketCap and literally you know, put the price of Bitcoin next to the lady's price on the 7-day chart, and you will see the charts are literally going hand in hand, guys. So when I say the lady's chart is gonna potentially follow Bitcoin, you know, I'm not just talking without any like knowledge, right? Because it's right there in front of you. You got the evidence and the proof right here. The lady's chart is following the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin, for some reason, was bearish today, and the rest of the total market was bearish today, right? Having a bearish day. We're back under 30k, guys. Bitcoin is back below 30k. We're making a move up, but let's see what happens for the rest of the week, man. I don't think we're gonna maintain this bearish momentum for long. Let's see what takes place throughout the rest of the week. But yeah, ladies, fam, so just look out for when the markets start to be bullish once again. Look out for that price action for ladies. When the markets are bearish, everything is it's a red day. That's when you DCA. That's when you accumulate and, you know, add to your bags. If you didn't have a good stack, you know, if you didn't have a good stack of ladies, instead of buying back up here, right, you could be buying down here to double your bags, guys. So keep an eye out for that, guys. You know, let's see what happens throughout the rest of the week. The stock market's just open. Bitcoin is highly correlated to the stock market, but overall we have so much bullish news overall. Like I said, we're gonna dive into that. I got a video I gotta show you guys, but overall there's so much bullish news. So I think the bullish momentum continues. It's just that we can't go up forever every day, you know. Until it's peak bull market season, we're not gonna be going up forever every day, guys. So keep that in mind. Milady Memecoin at 65k holders. Prepare to be mesmerized by the majestic wing of ladies as it spreads its ethereal beauty throughout the crypto landscape. Always love the memes, man. The colors fade, trends change, but the timeless ladies icon shines on. Always love the memes. I really do, man. So yeah, it's a meme coin. They keep the engagement up. They always have nice social engagement. 7,000 views on this tweet, 4,000 on this that recently got tweeted a few hours ago. And we got a video right here from the Blackrock CEO Larry Fink and what he thinks about crypto, right? Not just Bitcoin, but crypto. And like I said, when these institutions get into Bitcoin, you see how the lady's chart is literally correlated to the Bitcoin chart. You know, you see how they're correlated, especially on the 7-day. When Bitcoin is making huge moves, Ethereum will follow, ladies will follow. In my opinion, it has some type of fundamentals going for it, even though it's a meme coin, guys. So let's take a look at this video, man.
Over the last 5 years, more and more global investors are asking us about the role of crypto. And as I said, I do believe a lot of crypto it's an international asset. It's going.
Y'all hear that, man? Even Larry Fink, CEO of Blackrock, $15 trillion asset manager, bullish on crypto now. He's getting bullish. The institutions are gonna form into crypto, and your bags are gonna go crazy.
It has a differentiating value versus other asset classes, but more importantly, because it's so international, it's going to transcend any one currency and currency valuation. If you just look at the value of...
Hear that, guys? I don't know. You'd think these people would be protecting like the you know, the stock market. They wouldn't be bullish on crypto whatsoever. All of a sudden there's a tone shift, right? There's a tone shift because we already know that crypto is the future. And the meme coin sector of crypto, just like there's gonna be GameFi, Metaverse, etc., the meme coin sector of crypto, ladies is one of the top ones, guys. So you never know, guys. You just never know if ladies just absolutely goes bonkers in the future.
Of our dollar, how it depreciated the last two months, and how much it appreciated over the last 5 years. I mean, an international crypto product can really transcend that, and that's why we believe there's great opportunities, and that's why we're seeing more and more interest, and that interest is broad-based worldwide. Over the last...
The interest is broad-based worldwide. Larry Fink right there. Let's get more bullish on crypto, man. Bitcoin first, obviously, but crypto as well. I'm telling you guys, when Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum follows. With Ethereum being bullish, Milady being paired to wrapped Ethereum. Ethereum is going up. Trust, ladies, is gonna follow, man. Kia Rohit, breaking SEC gives green light to Blackrock's Bitcoin ETF application. A thread. Big news in the crypto world. The SEC has accepted Blackrock's application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. This means they are starting the official review process. So they're right there going for the official review process, guys. Like, I can't even speak properly. This is such great news that is happening in the space. I'm shocked that we're getting red days, but you know, projects can't just go up forever, right? But what's an ETF? An ETF is an investment fund that tracks the price of an asset like Bitcoin. It's traded on exchanges just like stock. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for investing in Bitcoin. Not just Bitcoin, but crypto as well, right? Blackrock is a major player in the financial industry, so their entry into the Bitcoin ETF race is a big deal. It shows the growing acceptance and interest in crypto from TradFi, traditional finance. BlackRock's agreement with Coinbase for surveillance sharing is another interesting aspect. It's a sign they're taking security and regulatory compliance seriously. The SEC's acceptance of BlackRock's applications and other filings shows that they're actively exploring the idea for Bitcoin ETF. It's a positive step forward and has a chance to assess different strategies and concerns. Canada already has approved Bitcoin's ETF, but the US is still catching up. The competition among companies vying to launch the first US Bitcoin ETF is heating up. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US could have significant market effects. Remember that, guys. Significant market effects, guys. A lot of projects will send, and I think ladies will be one of them. It may bring more investors into the crypto space and boost overall adoption. Exciting times coming for the crypto community. We'll have to wait and see if the SEC gives a green light to a spot Bitcoin ETF, but one thing is for sure, the crypto world is buzzing with anticipation, and you could stay tuned for more updates. So shout out to Kia Rohit for that, Pompliano for the video. Guys, I'm telling you, don't fade ladies, guys. You know, even just a little bit of exposure, little bit of exposure to ladies could go a long way. When we go through memes, you click on the meme sector for CoinMarketCap, you're gonna see ladies right up there, man. There's so many meme coins, but ladies is like right at the top, guys. So if you hold the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching. Link to the Patreon is also in the description. Just put out some more buy alerts on the Patreon, guys. So yeah, join up. Let's get these gains together. Blow this video up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.